Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this easy bunny wreath using nautical rope and the Dollar Tree bunny frame. For this wreath, you're going to need 3 of the nautical ropes from Dollar Tree. So 3 ropes, 1 bunny frame, and then I added burlap to the back of mine, but that is optional. You do not have to use burlap if you do not want to. And I just took the frame and I just traced it on the burlap and then I cut it out. This is the 4th bunny wreath that I have made using this Dollar Tree bunny frame. So if you haven't seen those tutorials, I'll link those for you in the description box, just in case you want to check those out. We're going to take the nautical rope and hot glue it onto the frame. You might want to put on your hot glue finger guards for this part, so just be very careful when you use your hot glue. So I'm just hot gluing the nautical rope onto the frame, and then I am just going to wrap the little circle part. Just try to make sure you don't overlap it and try to make sure you get your loops close together. To do the circle part, it takes 2 nautical ropes. Next, we're going to be doing the bunny's ears, and it will take 1 rope to do the ears. I would recommend buying 4 nautical ropes instead of 3, just in case you wrap yours looser or tighter than I do mine. That way you'll have extra just to be safe. You do not have to add the burlap if you do not want to. Fabric would also be pretty, but it looks adorable with just the nautical rope. And then here I am just hot gluing the burlap onto the back of the bunny wreath. I forgot to mention that I purchased the burlap at Hobby Lobby and it's $3.99 for 1 yard. The burlap comes in different colors also. I just chose to go with the gray. And then here I am making a big bow to go on the top part of the bunny wreath. This ribbon, I just got it today. It is from Walmart. I would recommend adding your bow first before you hot glue your burlap onto the back of your bunny wreath. I uploaded a shopping haul video this afternoon, so if you haven't checked that out, I found lots of good deals at TJ Maxx, Walmart, and then some new Easter decor at Dollar Tree. Once you have the bow the size that you want, then you're going to want to take some floral wire, wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow. Then you'll want to dovetail the ends. You're going to take the tail, fold it in half with the edges to the left side, go to your folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. It just kind of dresses up your bow. And then you're going to want to fluff the loops of your bow. Now you'll want to use ribbon with wire because it's just easier to work with. The loops will stand up and the bow just holds its shape better. Just remember to add your bow and then hot glue your burlap onto the back of the wreath. I did it kind of in the wrong order, and now you can get your wire to thread through the burlap, but it's just a little bit more difficult. So do that first, then hot glue the burlap as you're backing on. And that's it, guys. I just adjusted my tails, and my daughter kind of crinkled the ends of the tails for me and made them look really cute. And then I took a piece of twine and I made a hanger and just hot glued it to the back of the wreath, and then that's how I hung it up in my dining room, but very simple and easy to make. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this bunny wreath. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I am also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Keeping It Simple Crafts.